hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. 4 years ago on this channel, I uploaded a LUSH tag video where I basically made my own questions and created my own LUSH tag, and I thought for a video I would basically react to that video and answer the questions again 4 years later. I did do a video very similar to this about, I don't know, maybe 3 years ago, where I reacted to a LUSH tag that I didn't make 5 years prior. I have been on YouTube for a very long time. But yeah, basically I thought I would react to a video I uploaded 4 years ago of a tag that I made 4 years ago. Does that make sense? Anyway, basically I'm going to be re-reacting and re-answering questions for the LUSH tag. These are things that I made and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Obviously, if you guys haven't already, please either film this video, do a LUSH tag, or answer all the questions down below in the comments, because I would love to read them all. And yeah, let's just bring LUSH tags back, because let's be honest, old school YouTube, i.e. like 2013 to 16, was just divine. Without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy the video and carry on watching. Question number 1 is, what was the first LUSH product you ever used? And for me, it was actually the Space Girl bath bomb. I got given this as a gift from my friend Emma, I think it was, years ago, and it was the first LUSH product I ever used, and it was a dream. So that's my answer. So the first question obviously wouldn't have changed. So the first product I ever used obviously is still Space Girl bath bomb. Again, my friend Emma bought it for me literally years ago. I had it for my birthday, I think, and I popped it in my drawer, I remember, and then I found it and I was like, oh my god, I forgot I had that, and I used it and it was incredible. Still to this day, Space Girl bath bomb does hold a special place in my heart, and also I just love the smell. Like, the smell of Space Girl is so nostalgic to me. I absolutely love it. So obviously, yeah, question 1 is the same answer. It is Space Girl bath bomb. Question number 2 is, what was the most expensive LUSH product you have ever bought? And that is a hard question because I don't even know the answer to that. I think it must have been Magical Moringa moisturiser or $1 Million moisturiser, which were roughly about £30, so quite expensive. Either that or, I mean, I've bought some gift sets, but that's kind of a boring question, like, answer. So I'd have to say Magical Moringa or $1 Million moisturiser. Okay, so question number 2 was, what was the most expensive LUSH product I ever bought? And this one is a hard one because I feel like I've bought so many products over the past 4 years that I really can't remember. I know that I have a large bottle of Lord of Misrule perfume. I cannot remember whether I got that gifted to me as a birthday or Christmas present or whether I bought that myself, but that would be very expensive. Isn't that like £80 or something? Maybe I'm making that up, but I feel like that would be definitely more on the higher price point of things. But I also just remembered I have also bought a spa treatment for my mum before, and that was £45. So I'm gonna go with the Comforter spa treatment, which was £45, because I feel like that is a definite answer I know I've bought, and I cannot remember if the perfume was a gift or not. So yeah, we'll go with the spa treatment, which was £45. Next up, we have question number 3 is, what is your favourite collection that LUSH release throughout the year? And this was a hard one because I love all the LUSH collections. As you guys know, I do reaction videos to all of them, and I try and do hauls for most of them if I can. And I sat and thought about this for a while, and I have to say Christmas. Okay, I'm just going to pause it. I truly don't think it would be Christmas now. Looking back on it, back then I think Christmas would have been a really good answer, but now sitting down and thinking about it, I think I would have to go with like Easter or something like that, because I find that the spring and summer kind of ranges, for some reason, it might just be me, I feel like they have more new products for each range every time, whereas Christmas there's a lot of repeats. So I'm going to go with Easter. I'm going to change my answer and I'm going to go with Easter for that question. I was about to say for Easter for that answer, but that isn't English for that question. Okay, question 4. Question number 4 is, what is your favourite product that LUSH have discontinued? And for me, hands down, if you've watched my channel for more than a week and a half, you would know that my favourite LUSH product of all time is Plum Rain shower gel. Okay, so let's be real. You guys know I am still incredibly brokenhearted that LUSH got rid of Plum Rain shower gel. I feel like that shower gel was just perfection. I don't know why they ever got rid of it. It was just so good, and I still don't forgive them for getting rid of it. However, there are definitely other products now. I can't really pinpoint a favourite that they've discontinued that I love. Like, for example, the jelly face masks or the Ladybird bubble bar. That was so good. Or Yuzu and Cocoa Shower Cream, the Comforter Shower Cream, both of those together. Perfection. But I feel like I'm gonna have to stick with Plum Rain. I feel like that's a really boring answer because that is what I said last time, but Plum Rain shower gel, you guys know, the OG subscribers know that Plum Rain shower gel is one of my absolute favorite products of all time, and I will literally never forgive Lush for getting rid of it because it actually upsets me. It was so good. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to stick with Plum Rain, but there are definitely others that I miss as well. But yeah, Plum Rain is just, it's top tier. It is so good.
Question number 5 is, what is the product you hate the most from Lush? And I would have to say Aquamarina, I think. Anything that smells like a garden as well. I just really don't like that. Aquamarina, as you guys know, I've mentioned it many a time, smells like the ocean and seaweed and salmon, and it's gross, and it really bothers me, and I don't know what it is.
I'm just gonna pause it because I feel like I'm just gonna rant on about Aquamarina for maybe 5 minutes. I still don't like Aquamarina. However, since this video was filmed, I have actually done a video where I tried all the Lush products that I don't like, all of them. I grabbed a few, and I basically tested them out to see whether I truly didn't like them or whether it was like the smell or the look of something that was really putting me off. And I did try Aquamarina, and I didn't hate it, I'm not gonna lie. It did make my skin feel so incredibly soft and like it was just very cleaning. It did leave my skin feeling a little bit too dry, I will say, like very chalky almost, but it did leave my skin feeling soft, which I did enjoy. However, the seaweed in it does make it smell like fish, and I don't know what the seaweed in it is really doing. Any Lush employees out there, you guys know this. What is it for? I understand it's probably softening, but the actual seaweed that's like on it, like what is that about? Because it just makes it smell like the sea, and I hate the smell of the ocean. Like, I personally don't like the smell of freshly cut grass or like seaweed or like seawater. I don't like those smells, so the seaweed in it just spoils it for me. So I still don't like Aquamarina. I also don't like the Aromaco solid perfume, solid deodorant. Like, that just isn't for me either. I don't know what it is. I feel like maybe I don't feel like I'm getting enough of an application. I'm not sure. Not my favorite. Don't like the smell. Blue Skies Bubble Bar. That is a tricky one. Again, that is something I bought for that video that I used, and I didn't hate it, but would I go out and buy one myself? Probably not. And I still don't like garden smells. So we're gonna go with the same answer. Aquamarina, anything gardeny, anything that smells like grass or dirt, like Devil's Nightcap soap. Absolutely not. No, thank you.
Question number 6 is, what is the bath bomb which surprised you the most? And that's a hard one because I feel like a lot of bath bombs nowadays you see online photos and you kind of have an idea of what it kind of does, if you know what I mean. But I'd have to keep it classic and go with something like Dragon's Egg.
Okay, I'm just gonna pause it there. So the next question obviously was, what was the bath bomb which surprised you the most? And if I'm gonna pick something, I literally just thought of something just then, and I feel like, I don't know if it's cheating, but you know, this is my video, so we're gonna say it's allowed. I'm gonna have to go with Yoga Bomb, because if you guys don't remember, Yoga Bomb was like an orange bath bomb, but inside it was just full of these colours and some sparkles. It smelled so just delicious. I absolutely loved it, and I feel like from the outside it does look really basic and really plain and a little bit boring, but you use it and it is the most spectacular bath bomb. I absolutely loved Yoga Bomb, so I think for this one I am going to say Yoga Bomb. However, Dragon's Egg, I still do agree. I think you look at it and you think, oh, it's just like a white bath bomb, like big deal, but it is so good. So yeah, maybe that one could be my number 2, but Yoga Bomb was just absolutely, it was delicious. I loved it.
Question number 7 is, what is the most you've ever spent on one Lush haul? So one trip, one journey, what's the most you've spent? And for me, this is quite embarrassing because it's quite a lot of money. However, at this time I did get a discount, so I have probably spent about £200.
Okay, so in terms of how much I've spent, I'm not gonna lie, since I stopped working for Lush, I haven't really gone over the top on buying massive Lush hauls, because let's be real, I still have so much Lush stuff. It is ridiculous. I'm literally up to here in Lush stuff at the moment. But anyway, I don't think I've ever spent more than the £200. However, going back on it, thinking about it, I used to buy the entire Christmas ranges. However, did it cost more than £200? I don't know. I feel like maybe 6 or 7 years ago when I actually used to go out and buy the whole range, I don't think it was that expensive. I mean, it was still expensive, but I don't think I ever spent much more than £200 in one go. But when I worked for Lush, obviously I knew I was going to be leaving the company and starting a new job. I kind of went a bit over the top, I will be honest. Like, I stocked up. and I did spend £200 of my own money, but bearing in mind that for the average consumer of Lush, that is £400. Insane. Like, that was an insane amount of money. I don't know where I got that kind of amount of money just to like buy Lush stuff, but yeah, I spent £200 of my money, which would have been £400 of a non-Lush employee's money. Yeah, still to this day, I think that is the maximum I spent, because that was just horrific. And there is a video on my channel where I did like my last Lush haul as an employee. It is very old and probably very cringy, but feel free to go and watch it. I bought a lot of stuff, so yeah, if you want to see that, it is on my channel. Feel free to enjoy, but I would have to say that the haul is probably still the same as last time.
Question number 8 is, what is the oldest product in your current Lush collection? Now, this is quite embarrassing for me because I've got Lush products in my collection from like 2017.
I'm just gonna pause it there. So this one is probably not much different, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I have really tried to go through my Lush collection, especially over the past few years. I've gone through them, I've had to throw stuff away, RIP to the solid shower gels that had to go in the bin. But I had, you know, those little solid shower gels that came out that looked like a bottle? Like, I had maybe 10 of those, absolutely wasted, like had to go in the bin. They were all dry, they didn't really do anything, they had no smell. So I've really tried to cut back on buying Lush stuff. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've really tried to rein in my Lush hauls, because I do end up having a lot of stuff from like PR and also from the kitchen boxes. I get stuff quite frequently, so I basically don't need to buy any, which I'm really thankful for, but also I just need to like rein it in. But yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, I probably still have got some Lush products back from like 2017. Like, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it or anything like that. I have got shower gels probably from around that time, which I know is absolutely gross, but if it smells fine and it looks fine, I'm just gonna use it anyway. Don't take it from me, but yeah. Expiry date who? Do you know what I mean?
Question number 9 is, what is a product that you hope never gets discontinued?
Ooh,
and I would have to say probably the self-preserving face masks. So Cup of Coffee, Mask of Mag, and Beauty Sleep, because those 3 face masks are like my must-have.
You guys know how much I love my Mask of Mag, Cup of Coffee, Beauty Sleep. I use them on the regular. I absolutely love them, and I really hope they never get discontinued. However, other things that I hope never get discontinued would probably have to be like the jelly toothpastes. Love those. So good, very convenient, very easy to use, just obsessed with them. I'm trying to think what else is there that I would absolutely like be heartbroken about. Obviously like Twilight Bath Bomb, Twilight Body Spray. Yeah, it's a really hard one. If I had to say, oh, new shampoo bar, what am I saying? If new shampoo bar, or actually in general, like the shampoo bars, if they get discontinued, I don't think they would, because I think that is such an innovative product that Lush have. But yeah, I love the shampoo bars so much. I think if they got discontinued, I would have to stock up because they're just incredible. So yeah, shampoo bars, I'm going to say for my answer. The last question on this video was, who do I tag? So if any of you guys are watching this video and you fancy doing a Lush tag, or even joining me in redoing the original tag that I made, I would absolutely love to see it. So Sarah, Kelsey, Charlie, I'm looking at you guys, like, please do this video. I would absolutely love to see it, and I just love to see whether our answers have changed. So yeah, if you haven't done it, please do it, and if you want to do it again, please join me in doing it again, because I'd love to see. So that is everything. As I said, I would absolutely love for you guys to answer these questions, whether that be in a video or even just leave me a comment down below. Let me know, what products do you not want to get discontinued? What was your biggest Lush haul? I would love to know down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It would absolutely make my day if you would subscribe and join my family here on YouTube. And that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so incredibly much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.